of things. So you will see a heart and you would think love, when we don't know this heart is attached to so many demonic entities and cultures that the African culture or the Aboriginal culture would not stand for at all.
Wow. So in terms of I've been taught that, you know, growing up in the health community and learning about this, you know, veganism and everything, that when you urinate, the clearer your urine is, the healthier you are, the better your diet is. Now I see you say the contrary.
Yeah.
You showed a picture of healthy urine. I'm like, this brother looked like he had a little Hennessy in that cup or something like that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So where do you come up with this? My diet is good. My diet, whenever my diet gets better, my urine gets clearer. So where do you come up with this? The urine, clear urine is not healthy.
Clear urine is not healthy at all. Your urinary tract whole sole purpose is create urea by your blood and by your lymphatic system, go through the kidneys, filter out the good, filter out the acidic waste through urea, and then you get rid of it in the commode. Mm-hmm. So if you look at the urinary tract is connected through the urethra. Urethra is connected to tubules. These tubules is connected to the kidneys. The kidneys is the filtration system of the body. So whatever the kidneys is filtrating dead cells, metabolic waste, broken down proteins, toxemia, and things like that, right? Mm-hmm. So this has a different color to it. Just like when the blood hit oxygen, it rusts. It's called the oxidative stress. It turns red. Mm-hmm. Same thing with these different type of chemicals that break down inside of the body. Once it's fully breaking down, it gives you this urea yellow color, right? Not only that, your urine is not only supposed to be yellow, it's supposed to have a white settlement, and this white settlement is white blood corpuscles. So not only, and it's lymph. If you look at lymphocytes and broken down lymph fluids, because the lymphatic system is what cleanses the entire cellular mechanism. You have something called the circulatory system, which is the blood that feeds the cells of the body. Then you have the nervous system, which communicates and commands the cells of the body. Then you have the lymphatic system that cleanses the cells of the body. Once the lymphatic system cleanses the cells, where do all the toxins and the trash go? It breaks down by something called lymph nodes. It goes through its lymph vessel. It ends up in the kidneys. The kidneys filtrate it out through the tubules. The tubules connect to the urethra. The urethra connects to the actual urinary tract, and then you urinate it out. So if you're eating and your food is metabolically processing these broken down foods, where is the waste going? The waste, everybody think the waste going to poop. No, that is macro waste. We talking about cellular micro waste. That goes through the urine. So how can your urine be clear if the body is supposedly cleansing the cells, and that's the way it cleanses the cells of all the metabolic toxic waste like urea, broken down protein, and metabolic waste that have a tint and a color to it. And the color and tint of urea is yellow. It have a smell to it. The smell smells a little bit like a light vinegar. And then it have a white settlement in it. This is called metabolic waste. So your urine is supposed to be yellow with a dense white cloud that sinks to the bottom of it, and it's supposed to have a slight smell. We're not talking about colors like this. If your urine is the color of my garment and the color of this chair or the color of your shirt, it's an issue. But if your urine have a tinted yellow, even slightly darker yellow to it, with a smell like that ammonia smell, and you see that white cloud, that means that your kidneys is doing its job, which is filtrating. So if it's the opposite, contrary, and it's clear, then I mean your kidneys is not doing its job, or it's either one. Your kidneys not doing its job, which is filtrating all the metabolic waste, or your lymphatic system is not doing its job, which is picking up all of this metabolic waste through something called the interstitial fluid of the body, taking it to the lymph nodes and getting it to the lymph vessels to the kidneys.